It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. We are talking about Candle Day. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am going to put the Bath and Body Works Candle Day website below because they have lots of news. Lots of things are kind of changing again this year for Candle Day. I feel like Candle Day at Bath and Body Works literally changes year to year, especially since COVID. It's funny because pre-COVID we had like one day. It was Candle Day. And then with all of the limits in the stores, they kind of extended it to a couple of days. Well, I think this year it is going to be 3 days, December 1st, the 2nd, and the 3rd. So things are going to be moving really fast around here. So December 1st is a Friday. It is actually the week after Black Friday, which is the 24th. So that's when things are going to get really crazy. So Candle Day, I think the big thing that I'm seeing, actually there's a couple big things, but one of the big things that they've just announced is that rewards members are going to get early access. It says, don't miss early access. Reward members can shop before anyone else online and in stores. Another thing we're doing for the first time ever. So how is this going to work? So are they going to be checking if you're a rewards member before you walk into the store? Or are they just going to not let you check out with the price unless you download the app onto your phone? Now, most people are rewards members. I think the majority of people have downloaded the app. However, if you don't want to, download the app, or you don't have a phone for whatever reason, it's going to be really hard to get that early access. So this is kind of interesting. I feel like I know why they're doing this. They're doing it because they want your information. They want your shopping habits. They want your name, your phone number, email. They can track everything better when they know what people are buying. And when you go through the app, they know exactly like how old people are, where they live, what they're buying, and they can do market research. That's what all companies do. That's why you have like a giant eagle card. So it's kind of interesting that they're doing that. So early access to our rewards members, we're going to find out what that means. The other thing they're doing is they're going to do buy online, pick up in store for Candle Day. I think this is the first time they've ever done the BOPIS for Candle Day. I don't even use it. I don't know. I am such a impulsive like shopper. I don't like to like buy it online and then go in the store. I'd rather just go in the store and get it. But I know a lot of people do use it. They also have buy now, pay later available for the first time in Candle Day history. So we're going to see all kinds of little changes going on. They've got a tip, you plus rewards. It's a love story. They're basically telling everyone to join the rewards program now before Candle Day. I'm like, is it going to crash? I would do it now. For a while, my app didn't even work. It was like kind of flaky. So I had to turn my phone off. I actually uninstalled the app, reinstalled it, and started working again. Okay, so then they've got try new scents. Never before smelled candles are dropping just in time for the big day. That's always a given. Tip number 6, make room in the closet, the candle closet, for seasonal treats and your favorite year-round candles. So, as many of you know, Candle Day is a time for like all kinds of stuff. Fall candles may be available, a couple of them if they have any left. I haven't even checked the site. Christmas candles, if they have any left over. This is the peppermint sugar cookie, which I love. Much better than the raspberry thumbprint wallflower. So don't forget to head over to Life Inside the Page, Tess, because she's got a lot of the scoop on Candle Day. So what they do for Candle Day is there's usually some limited edition collections. There's a lot of, like spring scents showing up. I know everyone's like, spring, spring. So, some of the spring candles, they always have fresh cut lilacs. Let's see here. Mahogany coconut, which isn't really spring. It's kind of spring. Tiki beach, black teakwood, white tea and sage. Oh my gosh, there's so many different candles coming for Candle Day. They have a top shelf elf. I have no idea what that is. I'm really intrigued by these candles, like Cosmopolitan. Um, Really pretty Christmas labels. Merry Mimosa, The Perfect Christmas, Cranberry Pear Bellini. That always comes out. I'm not a fan of that one. Strawberry Snowflakes, Vanilla Balsam. That is always an amazing Candle Day candle. I think one of the most anticipated collections is Lavender Marshmallow, Caramel Drizzle, Candy Emporium, and Blueberry Lemon Sour. All of these will be coming. It looks like we've got Lavender Vanilla, Palo Santo, Afternoon Rainfall, Vanilla Birch, Linen Sheets, Cozy Cashmere, Cuddle Weather, Champagne Toast, always Champagne Toast. That one is always there. Black Cherry Merlot, Cactus Blossom, Ocean Driftwood, Island Margarita. I'm seeing Valentine's Day candles too. I'm like Bubbly Rosé, Strawberry Pound Cake. I don't know if those are going to be here for Candle Day. You know what I'm not seeing? Again, Red Velvet Cupcake, the butter rum eggnog. Where's the eggnog? I have the Yankee eggnog coming. I'm like, I need a good eggnog this year. The other one, oh, mint chocolate we haven't had for years. I like that collection. For a while they were doing that like every year and then they stopped. So I will have lots more Candle Day news coming. Video on how to create a Candle Day wish list, because that is huge. You gotta make your wish list. I do a Candle Day budgeting video. And then I do multiple Candle Day videos on all of the scents that are coming. Of course, I do my own huge Candle Day hauls. I get really excited for Candle Day. Candle Day is a day like no other. It is literally the Super Bowl for candle lovers. I don't go to the Super Bowl. I watch the halftime show. I don't go to the Super Bowl. I don't even watch the Super Bowl. I would never even consider, like, if someone gave me free tickets to the Super Bowl, I'd be like, no, just send me to Candle Day with a big gift card. That's my thing. So anyway, I am super excited for this year. I think it's going to be a good one. I always get excited. There's going to be online versus store. I'm hoping there's some surprises. And if you haven't checked it out, head over to bonleo.com, Bonleo. It is the t-shirt company that I started with Lenny. I have a limited edition Candle Day t-shirt that says Queen of the Girl Geeks on it. I actually ordered the hoodie. The hoodie should be here. I can't wait to see the hoodie. It's in black. I gotta wear that for Candle Day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button because I got more Candle Day news coming. And I will see you guys a little bit later. I got a homework candle burning. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.